everyone, welcome to Rev Sports. I'm Srishti, and today's ministry briefing was a bit special. Why? Because the scheme for the Khelo India year 2026 till the year 2031 was announced, and there are quite a lot of changes. First things first, the budget has been increased for almost 8 times. That means earlier the budget was around 3700 crores, and now the budget would be more than 29,000 crores. And not only that, the Khelo India athlete base has also been increased for almost 10 times, and that would be very much helpful for all the people. Earlier it was around 2700 plus athletes, and now it's for 27,000 athletes. So that is the update. And apart from that, the infrastructure is being taken care of. All the talent acquisition are going to be better. There are going to be a lot of things which were earlier a sort of concern. If we talk about the pigeon issues were also there. We all remember the India Open which happened this year. The pigeon issue was there at that particular point of time, but now everything has been improved. All the infrastructure, talent acquisition, including coaching staff and everything, has been and is going to be taken care of. So these are the snippets. And not only that, the ministry also have a target, and the target is that till the year 2036 India should be in the top 10 sporting countries, and till the year 2047 India should be in the top 5 sporting nations. And all the things have been seen earlier as well, because despite of sports like shooting or badminton missing out from the Commonwealth Games 2026, still India managed to win 39 medals. And boxing, especially women's boxing, did a very good job. If we look at weightlifting, again they did a good job. So we can see the snippets which ministry was talking about from now only. So let's see what happens, how will the things roll, how will the things go, and how Khelo India is going to perform in this particular period of time from the year 2026 to the year 2031. So that would be it. That is the update from the ministry. For more such updates, news and latest news, keep watching Rev Sports. Thank you so much everyone for watching.
For India's best multi-sports coverage, your platform is one, and that's Rev Sports. So like, share, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. I think by now you know that we will be everywhere in different parts of the world and bring you on-ground reportage. As I said, your best multi-sports coverage on Rev Sports, your favorite destination.